Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Really quick, I am going to show you guys this bunch of brochures that I have that I am going to go through one by one. Not gonna do it today, but I am just gonna pass the books of all the books that I'm gonna be showing in the video one by one. I'm not gonna show you any other books yet until I start to open a brochure. So right now I just want to show you what's in the packet. The what's new, I'm not gonna show it, but I will show all the other pages. And this book, I don't know if I already have this video of this book out. I would have to go back and check. But I wanted to introduce you guys to my friend Gizmo. He's gonna be talking to you a little bit about what we're gonna do hopefully for tomorrow. Go ahead, Giz, hit it. Hi guys, and welcome back. I just want to tell you that tomorrow we're going to show you some little books that just came out on Avon, so that you guys can see what is in the brochures and you can decide on what it is that you want to order. This book is not out yet. This book will not be out until Campaign 8 is done. Once Campaign 8 is done, then Campaign 9 will show. But in the meantime, you will use Campaign 8 to what it is you like to order. So again, you only can see what is in this book and all the other books, but you cannot order them, not yet, until Campaign 8 is over. So again, I will see you guys on the next video, which I will be in, and hopefully I will see you guys in this page. Leave a comment if you are looking for a representative. Her link to her store is www.yoavon.com/gcologne. Again, visit her store. Go ahead and participate in the Avon community. Become your own boss. And you should be able to be on your way to having your own business, your own office, and all of the other stuff that you want in life. New car, house, yeah. Dig jeans. But like I said, there's something for everyone when you join Avon. So don't forget, I'll see you guys on the next channel with all of these other books as well. Thank you and good night. Like and subscribe. Leave comments if you have to, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Alright guys, later. Oh wait, I didn't even scroll. Wait a minute, I did scroll through the books. But you get the point. They're the same books that keep passing by. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye.